EPLANT-Piping Advanced tutorial. This presentation shows how to verify the piping specifications with regard to formal errors. We open the Specification Edit window. Each time we change the line, the content of each column of that line is automatically checked against the corresponding definition table, component codes, ends, materials, diameters, etc. Each error found is presented in a window. Although this is useful during a direct addition of this table, there is a similar command that verifies all classes at once. It must be used, for example, after the specifications are imported from Excel. Let's see how it works. Select this option. The command found 5 errors that we can visualize with this button. Each error is identified in a different line with a detailed description about the error or inconsistency found. For each error, there is also a description about how this error might have been generated and a suggestion to fix it. The number of repetitions of the same error is also informed. This allows for a compressed structure of this report. This button generates a report with the content of the previous window for analysis and record. Let's see again the specifications. And we open also the report with the errors just generated to analyze it. We are warned about the diameters table of the BCPL standard that is missing. Without this fundamental table, the components that use this standard cannot be verified. This warning is about the same component that is repeated in the same diameter range without differentiate the component code. In our case is a globe valve. We see that in the class we have 2 lines specifying a globe valve and they have a superposition in the range between 0.5 and 4 inches. The only difference between them is in the additional code. We can easily fix this by adding any character to the right of the code. In this way, during verification against the specifications of components already placed, the selection that was made during the creation of that component will be known. We'll check again, but after opening the project again to blank the error window. We see the same errors as before, all but the one that we have fixed in the A661 class.